Hey everyone, this is Alex Sierra, CFP from Cetera Investors. Today I'm going to be going through step 2 of my step-by-step guide towards building generational wealth, which is building an emergency fund. Developing an emergency fund is a critical step in the journey towards building generational wealth. It's a foundational element that prevents individuals from falling into debt when unforeseen expenses arise, such as car repairs, home maintenance, or family emergencies. This helps individuals protect their financial stability and progress towards generational wealth. A good emergency fund should be liquid, risk-free, and typically cover 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. Setting up and maintaining an emergency fund involves knowing your monthly expenses, setting a savings goal, and making the contributions necessary to fund it. Even if you have debt, you should still create an emergency fund to avoid further financial setbacks. Ultimately, having an emergency fund empowers individuals in their financial decisions and builds confidence on the path to generational wealth. My aim as I create this step-by-step guide is to guide someone starting from zero toward the path of generational wealth. I'll be releasing a blog post on our website and a YouTube video for each chapter. Eventually, I'll publish the guide into a book. Again, this was a breakdown of my second step in the step-by-step guide, which was building an emergency fund. Stay tuned for a video on each of the 10 steps, and please let me know your thoughts and feedback. Thank you.